So one of the things that I want to mention that was an amazing surprise for us when we first moved out here. So, working with Brint, we got the house, they helped us get out of the airport and get everything settled. We pull up to the house. This is the first time I've seen this house. And, we walk in there. And one thing I want to describe is we've discovered real estate agents, for the most part, while talking to friends at the children's school and all that, they don't work very hard, whether for their customers or clients. They're just, okay, I got my listing, they stick it on the website, they walk through with their iPhone, snap a couple pictures. One thing that was a huge pleasant surprise was the view of this home. Which absolutely astounds me is there was really no pictures taken of the exterior. If you look to the back behind me here, you can't see it's foggy now, but it's vineyards. It's amazing view. You see the mountaintops and everything in the back. It's not something that you ever really imagine to see. And so when we came in here, you see this view, these sunsets, the sunset's right behind me. It's amazing. And that was not something to be expected. And so that was just really a pleasant surprise. Also just, we had known all the issues with the house. Working with Brint, they helped us get a home inspection done, which in the United States is almost mandatory for most lenders. It just happens. In Portugal, it doesn't happen. So working with Brint, they were able to help me get the services that I'm used to. And so when we get here, we knew all the little bells and whistles and the problems, and we just kind of walked in and were comfortable. We knew what the problems were going to be, and so it was a very easy, smooth transition and enjoyable.